The Celestron AstroMaster 114EQ Reflector Telescope is a powerful, user-friendly option for beginners and children with adult supervision, offering an easy setup and a lightweight frame. This telescope features a fully coated 114mm primary mirror, providing clear, bright images of celestial bodies like Saturn, Jupiter, the Moon, and even deep space objects like galaxies and nebulae. The AstroMaster German Equatorial manual mount, which includes 2 slow-motion control knobs, allows for precision adjustments to easily track celestial objects as they move across the night sky. Included with the telescope are 2 eyepieces, offering 45x and 90x magnification respectively, allowing users to focus on distant objects with amazing clarity. This telescope also comes with a rugged, pre-assembled tripod with 1.25-inch steel tube legs, providing a stable platform for hours of safe use. A bonus is the included Starry Night Basic Edition astronomy software, which offers interactive sky simulations, a 36,000 object database, and printable sky maps, fostering a deeper understanding of the night sky.